Maybe this is the band I was talking about. Love is Noise. Wait, I feel like it might be this one. Let's check it out. Boutique. Boutique. Oh shit. Infamous glasses. Gotta love the Deftone core. Not gonna lie, this is better than a pumpkin spice coffee. No, one more time. Yeah. Chef's kiss. When this show's gonna be crazy. Wow. Dude, whoever directed this music video, they need an Oscar. They need an award. Hopefully they got an award for this music video. And this came out last year. Nick Nocturnal. Yeah, that's a pure banger. Thank you all for the love. The had this song on repeat. This just keeps getting better and better. Oh my god, man. Yeah. Oats had a dope ass song. Love is Noise Boutique. The entire song was amazing. The entire song was beautiful. And when it came to the aggressive part, that was very, very, very surprising. And it sounded very, very, very cream worthy. Holy shit. I think it's safe to say that this is the best song tonight. But I don't know. We still have a bunch of other songs. But so far, this is the one.